Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials and hit the notification bell icon to get instant notification. Alright, so today's video is going to be about enabling dark mode on your Pocophone F1. Now, to do this, you don't need a custom ROM, you don't need TWRP, you don't even need root access or an unlocked bootloader. It can be done on a stock Pocophone F1. All you need is a Pocophone, a USB cable, and a computer, and just the brain to follow basic instructions, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys have, because if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I will quickly show you how to enable dark mode. This is just a 5-minute thing. It doesn't really take a very long time. There's just one file that you need, that is minimal ADB and fast boot, which is linked in the description. You need to install that file on your PC just like how you would install any normal application. It usually gets installed in C drive, program files, or program files x86, and minimal ADB and fast boot if you have a 64-bit operating system. Now, this does work on the latest 10.3.5. This does work on the latest global beta, that is 9.6.20 onwards. Now, the only downside to this is every time you want to enable or disable the dark theme, you will have to connect the phone to the PC and run this particular command. And the moment you run this particular command, you will have to reboot the phone, and the phone will be completely in dark mode or light mode. Now, Xiaomi could have done us a lot of favor by just giving us a toggle, because anyways we are doing it. We are doers and we are doing it just that way. So first things first, as you can see over here, this is 10.3.5 global and based on Android 9 Pie. So we will need to prepare the phone first to get all the permissions. So you need to tap on MIUI version 7 to 10 times. There you go, you are now a developer. And then you need to go to additional settings and scroll down and go to developer options. Now, once you go to developer options, there are a couple of things that you need to enable. First things first, you need to go ahead and enable USB debugging, hit OK, and install via USB, allowing, OK, USB debugging, security settings, enable this as well. Now you'll get this warning, so wait. So you'll get 3 warnings like these, which will request you to wait and hit next. And then last time, wait for 5 seconds and then hit accept. There we go. Alright, the only thing that will happen now is you'll connect the USB cable to the phone and then to the computer, and the moment you run a command on minimal ADB and fast boot, you will get a pop-up on your screen which will ask you if you want to allow this or not. Alright, let me show you on PC how does minimal ADB and fast boot look. So we will first go to the C drive, program files x86, and then minimal ADB and fast boot. You see this over here, CMD here, right click on it and run as an administrator, hit yes. Now once you're on this screen, you need to go ahead and connect the USB Type-C cable to your phone. Alright, so as you can see, the cable is now connected, and on the PC, the first thing that we will type is ADB space DEVICES. Hit enter. Now I have already allowed the permission of USB debugging, but usually you will get a pop-up over here. So the moment you get a pop-up, you just need to hit allow, and after that we will be running the command. Now before we do that, let me actually quickly show you here that we already have the white theme. We don't have the dark theme. In developer options or anywhere, we don't have an option to enable the dark theme. So basically these are the commands which are mentioned in the description. Now ADB devices we've already tried, and when you see this over here, that means the device is connected and authorized. Now the next thing that you need to do is just copy this and go to the minimal ADB window and right click. Okay, now the moment you right click over here, this command will be pasted, and this is to enable the dark mode. Just hit enter, and this is what you should see. The moment it gives you this screen, that means it is enabled, and the next thing that you need to do is ADB reboot and hit enter. Now the moment you do that, you will notice that the phone is rebooting. Now that is because we gave it the reboot command from the PC, of course. Let's wait for the phone to boot up and I will show you the dark mode. All right, there you go. It does say USB debugging connected, but if you notice here, it is in black. Now mind you, this is not a theme, this is not a mod, this is the native dark mode which Xiaomi has given to other MI devices, and it works flawlessly. So all the system settings and all the basic applications which are a part of Xiaomi framework will have this black colored theme. The only downside, as I mentioned, if you go to display, you will not have an option to disable it from here. So this is a very easy and quick way to get dark mode, and you don't need root, you don't need TWRP, you don't even need to have an unlocked bootloader. It works fine even on a locked bootloader. At the same time, what I'll do is I will go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and disable this and get back to the normal white theme in case you don't like it. So while the phone is connected, we will again type in ADB space devices. Okay, the device is connected. We will then copy this particular command over here and right click and paste it and hit enter. There we go, successful. Yet again, we will do a ADB reboot and the phone will reboot once again. I don't see why you would like to go back to the white theme, because in my opinion, the dark theme looks perfectly fine, works perfectly fine. It doesn't even have any bugs like some of the MIUI black or dark colored themes have. So more or less, it works perfectly fine. Let's wait for the phone to boot up. There we go. And the notification now is in white color. Scroll down, there you have it. You have your white theme again. No changes made, no data loss, nothing to worry about. Now remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you or not. If you're having any problem, I'll be glad to help you. So this was the video about enabling dark mode on your Pocophone F1, and until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.